Hey guys, Mr. Derry here. I want to go over a couple things about getting some files off of a shared Google folder that I've created with you. So you guys should have received an email with a link to engineering resources. What I'd like you to do is open up this folder, right click on the final project templates and download. Alright, once that downloads, once it's done, it's saying preparing download over here. Once it downloads, it's going to show up over here. And then what you can do is you can just drag that right into your local folder. Now I'm hoping you guys have a folder on your desktop. I asked you to create one to do all your CAD work, and what I would do is just drag this guy right into that local folder. And then what I would do, I've already have it here, if you right click and you extract here, it's going to say, hey, you already have one of those. I'm going to say yes to all, and it's going to have replaced this folder. So you should now have a folder in your local folder with my templates. We're going to cover more in just a second. You don't need this anymore, so I'm going to get rid of it. Alright, okay, I'm now in SolidWorks. If you didn't have SolidWorks open, you may want to pause the video and let SolidWorks open up for you. Once you're in SolidWorks, we're going to go here and go to Options, and we're going to go to File Locations, and we're going to go to Document Templates, which is the first one. We are now going to add a location, and you're going to go to your desktop. You're going to find that folder that you just downloaded and extracted, and if you didn't download and extract it, you need to do that first, and then you're going to select that folder. Now I've already done that, so my path is already here, this guy right here, but you have to do that. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to change this to where is it? Sheet formats. Okay, so we're going to click sheet formats. We're going to go right to that same folder and add. Now, if you go to File and go to New, you should see a few tabs. You probably have your tutorial tab as default. You should now have that folder that you downloaded. If you notice inside here, there are a ANSI standard, which is in inches, and I have an ANSI landscape, which is in millimeters. So if you drew your part in or your final project in inches, use this one. If you drew it in millimeters, use this one. But what I want you to do is actually, I want you to edit these so that they are custom for you. So what we're going to do is hit OK. And in a second, hopefully this comes up. I want you to go right in here and right click and say edit sheet format, and come in here, and instead of calling it last name first initial, you can actually put your name in here. There might even be enough room for the whole thing. Alright, so hit OK. If you come here now and whoops, I'm sorry, get out of that. If you go up here and you go to File and you go to Save Sheet Format, click on that same one, hit Save, and now you should have your name on every sheet as you go. Okay, so that covers this. Next video, I'm going to show you how to use these for your final project.